What if you could make $500 a day without working 12 hours straight or trading your time for every single dollar? That's the promise of online income, and it's not a fantasy anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you how people are actually doing it in 2025. These are going to be real strategies, real tools, and yes, money that can show up while you're asleep. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind or want to build a second income stream from your laptop, you're in the right place. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a full roadmap for building income online with options that fit almost any skill level. So let's begin with part 1, affiliate marketing. One of the most simplest and popular ways to make money online. It works like this. You recommend a product or a service, someone buys it through your link, and you earn a commission. That's it. And the best part, once the link is out there, it can keep generating money whether you're online or not. Affiliate links can live in YouTube descriptions, blog posts, TikTok bios, or even emails. Every time someone clicks and buys, you get paid. What makes this powerful is how scalable it is. You're not creating a product or handling customer support, you're simply connecting the right person with the right offer. Some people promote physical products using Amazon Associates, while others focus on digital tools or softwares that pay much higher commissions. Sometimes that can be up to 30% or 50% or even more per sale. And because these platforms handle all the logistics, your only job is to create content or traffic that drives people to those links. Whether it's budgeting apps, or a meal plan, or website hosting services, there's pretty much an affiliate program for just about any niche out there. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing can become a reliable income stream that you can build month by month, even while you sleep. But here's the thing, guys, everything seems nice and all, but the most important thing is consistency. And keep in mind, these strategies may seem simple, but they're hard to follow. I don't know why, but not many people are able to become successful so easily. So it's going to require some consistency and it's going to require intelligence. But then once you do it, the truth is you're going to be making money. Just follow the plan. Next, let's move on into digital products, which is part 2. This one's a favorite for anyone who wants true freedom. A digital product is something you create once and sell over and over again. There's no inventory needed, no packaging, no shipping, just value delivered instantly online. This could be something like an ebook or a spreadsheet or a Notion template or even a PDF guide. In fact, many people sell things such as mini courses, which are great digital products. If you have the knowledge or a system or a resource that solves a problem, you can package it and sell it. And thanks to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip, it's easier than it has ever been to launch. Once it's live, people can find it and buy it without you needing to do anything, because the website is going to advertise for you. Obviously, you're going to need to do some work here and there because the website is not going to focus solely on you, because it's got many different customers or users that it's trying to focus on. But here's the thing, once it's live, people can find it and buy it. So that means you can literally wake up to new sales every single day. And because you're not physically delivering anything, your profit margins are nearly 100%. The key to digital products is solving a specific need. Don't just make something generic. Focus on helping people save time. Focus on helping people save money, getting organized, or learning something fast. Price it affordably, deliver real value, and then just let the internet do the rest. Now, let's move on to number 3. Another great way to make money online, especially if you're creative, is with a print-on-demand store. The idea is simple. You design a product once, like a t-shirt or a hoodie, and the third-party service handles the rest. That includes printing, shipping, and payments. So basically everything. You never touch a box or go to the post office, you just collect your profit. You can create designs using tools like Canva or Photoshop, upload them to platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Etsy, and start selling right away. Your store could feature quotes, niche references, cool illustrations, or even AI-generated art. I mean, people love wearing things that speak out to their identity, and print-on-demand stores lets you sell those things to those specific communities. The beauty is, once your product is live, it can be purchased anytime. You don't need to be awake. You don't need to be online. Someone can just be scrolling on their phone at 2 a.m., buy your hoodie, and you just made money in your sleep. Print on demand is especially powerful because it's low risk. You don't pay for inventory up front, and you can test unlimited designs. If one fails, try another. But when one of them is a hit, it can generate steady income for months. If you're enjoying this video right now, please subscribe to the channel because I'm trying to help people make money and grow to develop their lives. So let me know in the comments what you truly think about this video. Let's continue with number 4. Let's talk about one of the most profitable ways to make money online: selling your knowledge. And no, you don't need to be an expert. If you know more than a beginner, you can teach something and people will pay for it. Online courses, mini workshops, and video trainings are exploding online, especially with platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, and even Gumroad, making it super easy to start one. You can teach almost anything: personal finance tips, how to use Excel, how to write better emails, how to get fit without a gym. I mean, the possibilities are endless, and courses don't have to be huge. Some of the most successful ones are like under an hour long. They're short, they're simple, and focused on solving one problem in the best way possible. Once your course is recorded and uploaded, that's it. You're done. You can sell it forever. No additional work, no time for money trade. Someone can buy it in the middle of the night, binge watch it, and you can earn income with zero extra effort. The key to selling a course is clarity. Tell people exactly what they'll learn, who it's for, and what the result will be. If you focus on delivering results, you'll not only make sales, you're also going to build trust. And trust leads to even more income in the long run, because once trust is built, you can sell even more and more courses to that one person who is a customer. Next up with number 5 is dropshipping. And before you roll your eyes, hear me out. Yes, dropshipping gets a bad rep from scammy courses and cheap products, but if it's done right, it's still one of the fastest ways to build an online store with low upfront cost. Here's how it works. You create an online store using a platform like Shopify. You list products from suppliers on sites like Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping, or even US-based vendors. When someone orders from your store, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. You keep the difference between what the customer pays and what you pay that supplier. You never hold inventory, you never touch the product, but here's the key. Most people fail because they sell random junk. The smart way to do dropshipping in 2025 is by building a niche brand, something that speaks to a specific audience. For example, you could sell pet lover products, gym junkie products, minimalist things, or even products for mothers. Just sell it to a group who you understand well, and make sure they're gonna buy from you. You can use TikTok or Instagram Reels to drive traffic. Just one good short video can generate thousands of visitors, and once your product starts selling, you can start reinvesting into better ads or even switch to private labels to scale long term. And the upside here is that once your store is automated with apps handling orders, customer emails, and fulfillment, you can literally wake up to lots of sales. But only if you treat it like it's a real business, not a quick cash grab. Finally, let's move on to number 6, YouTube automation channels. This is a passive content model. Faceless YouTube channels, also known as automation channels. These are channels where you don't show your face, you don't film with a camera, and in some cases, you don't even use your own voice. You write scripts or hire a writer, get a voiceover, add stock footage or animations, and upload videos that deliver value, like finance tips, business news, tech tutorials, or motivational stories. Once the video is uploaded, it becomes an asset. If it ranks in search or gets picked up by the algorithm, it can make money for years through AdSense, affiliate links, and digital products. You can create these channels by yourself or hire freelancers from sites like Fiverr or Upwork to do the work for you. If you're tight on budget, you can do the script and voiceover yourself and edit using free tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. The beauty of YouTube is that it compounds. One video may make $5 a day. Doesn't sound like much until you have 100 videos doing that. Or one video that blows up and makes you like $3,000 over 6 months without you doing any extra work. In 2025, faceless YouTube is still massively underrated. It's scalable, automated, and monetized in many different ways. If you stay consistent, it can absolutely be your ticket to $500 a day, even while you're asleep. So Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you have any more ideas, let me know in the comments. And if you want me to make a video about anything else, let me know in the comments as well. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.